Hello and welcome to From Scratch to Plate. Today we're going to be making these chocolate chip squares. Here is the list of ingredients, and now let's get started. Let's start off by lining our pan with parchment paper. And we only need one bowl to make this recipe. And there it is. Add your melted butter, and then add your sugars and mix that together. Next, we're going to add in our egg and our vanilla extract and mix that again. Add in the flour and mix. And lastly, we're going to be adding in the chocolate chips and fold that in together and add that to the pan. And smooth it out and pop it in the oven for 20 minutes. And once it's finished, just add it to a cooling rack to completely cool and then slice. Simple as that, a delicious dessert in about 30 minutes. Once it's cooled, I'm just removing it and slicing it. I hope that you enjoy this recipe, and if you want to see more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Enjoy!